How to fix search box missing from Windows 10 or 11 taskbar. So if you want to fix your search box missing option, then what you need to do is you just need simply right click on your taskbar, and once you right click on your taskbar here, you will have an option of show search box. If you have show search box, then you just need simply go with show search box, click on it, and you will have your search box right there. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is again right click on your search bar and then go with taskbar settings. And here you need to go with search and make sure that your search icon is not hidden on your taskbar. If it is hidden, then you just need simply go with search box, search icon only. And once you've selected that, your search icon will be right there on your taskbar. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then again you need to open up your settings. On your settings, you need to go with find a setting, and here you need to search for tab view, or you may also have an option of tablet view. So if it is turned on, like in Windows 10 we'll have the tablet view option. So if the tablet view is turned on, then you just need to simply go and turn it off, and once you turn off the tablet view, then you will have the search icon. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.